Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some gorgeous black hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. So if you've been finding yourself stuck in a hair rut, get ready because these hairstyles are definitely going to shake things up. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the looks spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest black hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Ooh, this hair color is so pretty. Oh wow, I thought the color was hidden before, but after this color refresh, oh wow. Platinum is definitely her color, and I am loving this pixie cut. So gorgeous. Here we have someone with a head full of gorgeous natural hair. Ooh, she chopped it all off and traded it for this pixie. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. This is so cute, though. So here we have an Anthony Cuts makeover. So it looks like she is getting some color here. Like she is doing the pop of color trend with this bold red combined with the black. Oh, whoa, okay, this is spicy. So she ended up getting like this super chic mullet hairstyle. I told y'all this mullet is coming back. I love the color on this too. Very cute. She actually ended up doing a split dye for this hair color trend. Red on one side and then black on the other. Very edgy, cute hairstyle. Goodbye, dark hair. Time for fall and some Cabernet. Okay, I know that's right. So she pretty much dyed her hair the color of wine. I love that inspiration. All right, so we have some long hair that was installed. Now let's cut the hair into a bob. Nice, cute, simple, and chic. And of course, the bob is always a good go-to choice for the fall. Here we have another bob variation. Actually, you know, I wouldn't call this a bob. I would say that this is just like shoulder length hair, you know. Shoulder length on its way to APL. And then we move into another hair install. Oh my God, whoa. Wow, this looks so natural. Okay, I am like shocked right now. That haircut, that pixie was, I wish we would have got a better look at it, honestly, because that was so natural. I swear, if I wouldn't have known any better, that was definitely her hair. Like, I'm still talking about it, and we on to the next video clip. Wow, that was crazy. Okay, so here we have a bob. So we have another classic bob here with the center parts, followed by another pixie. Now this one features the asymmetrical shape. She's got the bangs going there in the front. Here she is kind of starting off. So she went to the shop with some braids. So this is kind of showing the versatility. Like obviously her hair is shorter here, but you can kind of see she does have some hair to play around with at the top. And then we move into another bob. Now this one features more of like a burgundy hair color. Super pretty. And once again, perfect for the fall season. I don't know about y'all, but I love to go red when the fall hits. Like, it's just something about it. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Oh, so she also gets a bob. Beautiful chocolate brown color. That is perfect for her complexion. Look at that. So much body. Super cute style. So I hope you guys were able to get some hair inspiration with today's hair videos. I know I'm definitely ready for the fall season. Like I said, red baby all the way. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.